Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you how to check Imei on Android. This unique identification number is essential for tracking your device or verifying its authenticity, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to go to your Settings app, which is the hub for all your phone's configurations and personalizations. You can usually find this geared icon by swiping down your notification shade or searching through your main app drawer. Step 2 involves you needing to scroll down to the bottom of the list and select About Phone or My Phone. This section acts as the identity card for your hardware, housing all the specific regulatory and manufacturer information you might need. Step 3 is to click on Phone Information to dig deeper into the technical specifics of your particular handset. This submenu is important because it separates general software updates from the actual hardware identifiers unique to your specific device. Step 4 is where you can find IMEI number listed clearly on the screen for you to view or record. Knowing where this is located is vital if your phone is ever lost or stolen, as carriers use this specific digit string to blacklist a device globally. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.